Today we are in Toronto doing a ductless installation, and we're near High Park right now. We currently have oh my god, almost got hit. We currently have 3 technicians installing the ductlesses inside right now. As you can see, it's very windy today, so ignore that for now. It's like, oh, there we go. Are you gonna put that one in? My failed attempt? This project, as mentioned, is a ductless install. It's been happening since this morning, and we're here to see the process work and see how everything is going so far, and hopefully we can get the final shots and show you guys how this project is really going along. See what a ductless actually is, because personally I've only seen it in pictures. Why? Because I do marketing, and that's all behind a computer screen, and all day I'm just typing away, posting my little Instagram feeds and editing, making posters, not actually seeing the product itself. But I've seen furnaces and it was much larger than those images that I was working on. So I'm excited to see how an actual ductless heat pump outdoor unit and indoor unit would look like. So windy today. Ignore, I need to fix my hair. We have 3 people working inside right now while I'm here talking about this project. Let's go. So at first glance, I actually didn't see this huge machine above my head, double of my size. But installers actually were able to install the outdoor unit. And this is what we call the heat pump outdoor unit. And this actually feeds into 3 indoor units that are inside the house. And a heat pump is actually something that does heating and cooling. So in wintertime, it gives you like the heating, and then in summertime, it keeps you all cool. So right now would be the best time to have this. So each an individual room you can control easily with that remote. So as you can tell already, this little alleyway is very narrow. For reference, I'm 5'4", and this is around like 5'4". So the owner of this home is actually around like 6 foot something. So if they have the unit like here, they would be like struggling to pass by. So instead, because of the customer's request, wanted to lift it higher so they have enough way to get through their backyard. Let's go take a look. Are those like, what are the black things? I'm assuming those are the piping. Yes. And then you connect it onto here. And then we have those like white coverings to cover those black pipings so it wasn't look ugly. And then it protects it from like rain, I believe. Yeah, I know my stuff. I've seen it in like a phone and it's just like this small. And then I walked over and I was like expecting like a small unit there. I looked up and then there's a huge unit like double of my height. Should I do it later? The project? Yeah. We are installing a 3-zone ductless today. And then currently we have 1 completed so far. I don't know how long, whoa! I don't know how long this will take. I don't know if can you hear me? Ignore the crowdedness, but that there is where the second head, the indoor head, is going to go. And main floor is where the last one's gonna go. Damn, that's a lot of walking. Oh, is this a second floor? Oh, it's like 3 floors. Yes. Of our project, our very complex 3-zone installation project for this home in High Park. and the installers actually came early in the morning, and it's around 6 p.m. at this moment, and we finally finished the job. I actually came later than usual, or later than them actually, and yeah, it took forever. We'll see you in our next project.
Hold on, I have a question.
Yes.
How much did you learn out of this project? Seeing the ductless and heat pump?
My learning, I think I got more visual and more like reality in a sense, rather than information, because I can't really learn from looking at something, but I think it's just more of implementing the knowledge that I already have, like knowing, oh, a heat pump does heating and cooling, and I'm seeing like how it actually looks and how it actually operates, and how like the pipes connect from the indoor units to the outdoor units.
All right. So you're an expert now.
I am an expert. See you next time.